Good morning. I don't know if you remember, but a million years ago, last time I worked on the Ford Focus, I determined that the rear frame rails had been bent a little. So I'm going to show you a trick how I'm going to figure out what the right height above ground should be for those frame rails. So stick around. This is the beautiful Focus that I'm going to take measurements from. It's a used Focus. It's been here for a while, 2018. So maybe it was like a program car or something. Anyways, let me get down there in the stones. So right there is a rail. I'm going to measure it right behind the bumper where that bracket is. As you can see, or maybe you can't see because I had the sun glare, it is 15 and a half plus 3, so 18 and a half. 18 and a half. So that's a good thing to know. I'll go home and make sure I get them in the right spot. The other thing is how these pieces fit together. So it appears that piece for the whole rear goes on first, and then the next piece goes over the top of it, and the piece and the tinfoil should not be bent down, so that's a good thing to know. And I'm just gonna try and videotape everything that I can so I have a better idea how and where it all should go. So alright, here we go. So now the next thing is to go home and get it to fit that way. So I'm back now. I want to see what the measurement is here. If I can get down there. Alright, so here I'm at 12 and a 14, 15 and a half. Oh, shit. I'm gonna go over here, see what I am over here. That's a big difference. And this side is 16 and a half, roughly. So 16 and a half, 15 and a half, and I think at the dealer it was 18 and a half. I'm gonna have to go back and check the video, but that would say that both of these are down, which means both of them have to go up. So I gotta figure that shit out now. So we'll do. So I went and measured how far off my frame rails are from what the brand new factory is, and it looked like they're both off. And I was gonna see if I could use a bender bar, but it's not bending the bottom. So thought maybe if I could get to the exact spot. See if I can measure it and see if there are any changes here. So I used my cheater bar, see if it made any difference whatsoever, and if it did, I'll do it some more, and that'll be in the video. And if it didn't, I guess I will have to heat it up and beat it with a big ass hammer. So just a second, let me check. All right. So now it appears to be 16, which is 16 and a half, which is better than it was. So, and this one side is right at shit. So we're now at, oh shit, that's 3 inches. I went too far on this side. So it works, which makes me happy. So now you will get to see some frame fixing if it stops raining this weekend. So that's a good thing to know. So I went to the dealership, I measured, came back here, used a big bar that I had, and bent the frame rails back up to where they needed to be. So I'm gonna be able to work on it this weekend, hopefully weld those patch panels in and be done with this. So I got a work car. So anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. It's going to be a short video. I got another one I'm going to post tonight too about some stuff we're selling for my mother-in-law. So check that one out too. I appreciate it. Thanks everybody for watching, and till next time, thank you.